Ever wonder why most people trying to get rich fail? They chase fads, jump between hot stocks and meme coins, and listen to gurus promising instant wealth. They end up confused and broke, playing a rigged game. But what if there's a better way? A path free of luck and market timing. Every truly wealthy person follows the same timeless rules. These are the foundation of real wealth, and mastering them is the only path to financial freedom. In this video, I'm breaking down these unbreakable principles. Stick around because the last one protects everything you'll work to build. Principle number 1, the value equation. Stop chasing money, start creating value. The biggest mistake is chasing money. The right question isn't, how do I make money, but what value can I create? Money is simply a byproduct, a thank you for solving a problem. Wealth always flows to value. The world is full of problems to solve. You don't need to invent an iPhone. You can create value by becoming indispensable at your job, starting a local business, or building a trustworthy reputation. The fundamental step is to shift your mindset. Stop obsessing over what you can get and focus on what you can give. Become a person of value, and you won't have to chase money, it will come to you. Principle number 2, the behavior blueprint. Your habits are your financial destiny. Knowledge is useless without action. Wealth isn't about IQ, it's a direct result of your financial habits. It's about changing your daily behaviors. Master 3 habits: discipline, patience, and continuous learning. Discipline means paying yourself first through automated savings and using a budget to control your money. Patience means understanding that wealth is a marathon, built slowly over time. Continuous learning means investing in your financial education, your greatest asset. Your future is decided by your daily habits, not a lucky break. Master your habits, and you will master your destiny. Principle number 3, the financial engine. Master the pillars of money management. Next, build your financial engine by mastering 3 pillars: earning, budgeting, and debt management. First, earning. Your income is fuel. Actively increase it through promotions, new skills, or a side business. Second, budgeting. This is your GPS, a plan telling your money where to go. It's empowerment, not restriction. Third, debt management. High-interest debt is financial poison. Avoid it and aggressively pay down what you have. These pillars must work in unison. A huge income is useless without a budget, and a budget can't save you from debt. Master all 3 to build an engine for wealth. Before we get to the next principle, if you're finding this valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support helps me deliver no-fluff advice to more people who want to build real wealth. Principle number 4, the growth multiplier. Save and invest with purpose. Now it's time for the growth multiplier. Save and invest with consistency. This is what builds true wealth. First, build a financial shield, an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This firewall protects you from unexpected crises. Once that's built, invest every extra dollar. Buy assets like stocks or index funds so your money makes more money. The most powerful force is compounding, where your earnings generate their own earnings. Time is the key. The sooner you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. You don't need much to begin, but you must start. Automate your investments and be patient. Principle number 5, the fortress strategy: protect your wealth. Building a fortune is one thing, keeping it is another. The final principle is to build a fortress around your wealth. Your first defense is your emergency fund. The second is proper insurance, health, disability, and life, to prevent a personal crisis from becoming a financial one. The third layer is diversification. Spread your investments across different assets to manage risk and protect against a major loss in one area. The final layer is legal and estate planning. Use structures like wills and trusts to protect your assets and control your legacy. A great defense is as critical as a great offense. So that's the framework. 1. Create value instead of chasing money. 2. Your habits define your financial future. 3. Master earning, budgeting, and debt. 4. Save and invest consistently. 5. Build a fortress to protect your wealth. This isn't about market timing or luck. It's about your mindset, your behavior, and your strategy. It takes discipline and patience. Wealth isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-for-sure plan. Stop chasing fads. Start building on this foundation for true financial freedom. The work starts now.